a cassette MI2 model. So the error is let's see the error. Error is F7. So F7 guys, this one is communication indoor to outdoor. This one is the PQE. So this one is difference error. Okay, you see. So okay. So we will go to outdoor unit. We check the error code. You can see the error is E2. So difference is the other model is E1. The indoor is E1, the outdoor is E2. But now difference. So too much error code. So we need to replace the. So we replace already this one. Communication, but still a problem. Kasi this is damage. This one. So we need to check the communication wiring, guys. So we confirm that the wiring is a problem. So the blue color is broken. There is no continuity, so we fix the black wiring. So we need to check, guys, is working or not. So we fix already. This one we check the continuity, but the wiring is there is no contact. So we confirm that the wiring is a problem, guys. So we need to check the outdoor if working or no. So may problema to, guys. There is a problem this one. The blue now is working. So we cancel the blue, we put the black. This one blue is there is a black. Only wiring problem, guys. The problem is the blue color wire. This one. Communication wiring. PQE. So now, guys, it's working. So let's return the PCB cover. No?
So here?
Wala, kalas ma-use sila. Shoot. Kalas ada use pa sa for this one. Only small. We return this one, the big one. Huh? Okay na siya, guys. Only the problem is one, the wiring. So we need to return the cable. So now it's working, guys. Okay now. Kuha mo, Jude?